For Series 125 at the University of Maine, that was Introduction to Problem Solving and Computer Programming. Okay, that might be the exact name of it. I don't remember off the top of my head. But anyhow, this is the second project that we made for the class. This is the team project. So this is the team that was on. We have the as you see what different people have done. Elliot did some music, tile graphics, maps, debugging. Newman did testing, map, and design. Sherry did documentation, assistance. Holden helped out a lot with managing people, and Ben helped with some of the design, presentation, display, and I did programming, graphics, animation, design. It's based off of my Project 1 as sort of the starting point, but with a lot of stuff added to it. So you can go to New Game from this menu, and it opens up and tells you the basic story. There's a guy who sort of kidnaps the sheriff's wife. He has to go and save her. It has some tells you the controls for the keyboard or the Xbox controller. There's enemies, different stuff you have to do. So here's the chicken bot robot. He's made in Blender, designed and animated by me. Let's see. And when he explodes, he uses Blender's sort of fluid dynamics sort of system to make like a explosion. There's a guy you could talk to. Usually these people say dumb things. There's another one of those guys. He gets hurt by cactus. Has some remnants, like you can tell at the health bar at the top. I didn't get a chance to sort of reskin that to look different, so it looks like the one that my Project 1 used, and like as before, has debug information. You could read signs, jump over cactuses, transition to different screens, shooting stuff. You get use whiskey to get health back. Is some more dumb dialogue. Is the other kind of robot they had, flying kind. They're steam-powered, steam engine robots. Some things about this, it's still a little bit rough around the edges. I think if we had a little bit extra time, we could have cleaned up quite a bit of it. So here's what what's sort of used as the save point is are these outhouses. So basically, you go in there, and if you come out, like if you die, you go back, like this, and see now it comes back out. This area is basically my level 1 from Project 1, but with some stuff added to it, changed. Like there's this this exit this way. I don't know how well you could hear it, but Elliot composed quite a few different pieces of music for this game, so you could kind of hear like the changes as we go to different areas. Save the game, whatever. So these like these sprite graphics and animations, were made by me in Blender. Originally this character is going to be a little bit more detailed. It kind of looks like a Muppet here or something. But, you know, crunch time. There's like a lot of stuff we had to do at the very end. So, you know, graphics and animations and stuff. But, I don't know, it's alright. So you kind of... It's not that hard of a game. I mean, especially like if, you know, I played it a lot while working on it. So here's the cave area. You know, the option of going up top or down below. Really, down below just says lava. Up top has some robots. And here's another guy. I don't know. Oh, yeah. More dumb stuff. Sorry if I'm going by quickly, but you know, I don't want this video to be too long. Then you go. Whoops, missed that jump. Man, that robot's going crazy. It's flying all over the place. These robots, the flying ones, they have a starting point, and then they sort of like rubber band around that. So, you know, there's slight adjustments to their velocity to make them move randomly, but they sort of accelerate towards their starting point, so that they sort of stay in a general area, you know, not really fly off too far. You know, it's sort of a, just in case you fall, you could go back there. And it's not a very long game. Go up here, exit the cave, and this is the end. You know, so you don't actually get to see the villain. You know, there's no boss battle, but yeah, this is basic. You know, there's these transitions, like the spotlight effect, or like if you die, it does a fade transition, fade to black. So, you know, this was our COS 125 Project 2, and we go back out. You know, I could continue and it starts back up where I was, or you know, quit the game. So thanks.